Hi everyone, I'm fishing a brand new creek today, and this creek is amazing. What a beautiful little stream. So this creek connects two lakes. There's a lake down here, downstream, that has brook trout in it. And then the creek itself is, I don't know, like a mile long, and it connects to a lake up here that has golden trout in it. Look how pretty this lake is, or this creek is. That's so cool. You can see some mountains off in the distance. Anyway, that lake apparently has golden trout in it, so I'm thinking there might be golden trout in this creek. There might also, of course, be brook trout from the lower lake. So I've stopped about halfway between the lakes. I'm gonna start fishing here and fish my way upstream. And I really hope I can catch some golden trout in here today. I love catching golden trout. I'm in Wyoming. I have caught golden trout in Wyoming before, but never in this particular area. This is all new to me here, so I'm excited. My rod of choice today is the Zen Tenkara Suzume. I have a 7-foot line on here, and the fly I'm using is let's see, it's got silver tinsel and some red yarn and white hackle and black thread. Doesn't look like anything these fish have likely seen before, but I don't think that'll be a problem. I have been hiking along this creek for a little while, getting to this point, and I haven't seen any fish in it. I haven't looked too closely, but I haven't seen any, so I don't know what the fish density is gonna be like, if there are even fish in here. And this wind is making it hard for me to get control of my line. There we go. I started fishing here as opposed to somewhere down lower or up higher because there's an awesome looking pool below this little waterfall here, but we'll get there. We'll get there in a second. You fish a creek like this and it's almost hectic because there's so much noise from the water, from the waterfalls, the little cascades and riffles. It's loud. It's almost hard to hear yourself think. But it's fun too. These are beautiful little creeks to fish. Fish on! I think it's a golden! Yes, it is! Yes! First fish is a beautiful, like 9 or 10 inch golden trout. Oh man. Out of this beautiful little pool here, under a waterfall. Living the dream. Okay, the fly's already out. Now that is a gorgeous fish. Yeah, it's about a 10-incher. Wow. That is so cool. See ya, buddy. Wow. That was within the first about 4 minutes of fishing. Let's see if we can catch some more. This is not an easy to access creek, by the way, in case you were wondering. It's about an 8-mile hike in, some of it off trail. I've been up since 4:30 this morning, so yeah. Takes some work to get to. Yeah, with that last fish, I saw that flash of yellow and orange, and I knew. You know, a lot of times you see a flash of orange and it's a brook trout. It's like the belly of a brook trout. But that yellow, can't mistake that for anything else. So cool. Ooh. This is probably the nicest looking pool yet. Gonna extend the rod a bit. Give me a bit more range. Oh, and there's that wind. as you might expect from a little mountain. Oh! Oh no! That was another golden. Darn it. Oh man. As I was saying, as you might expect from a creek at 10,000 feet in the mountains of Wyoming, this is very cold water. Very cold water. Let's carefully approach this pool. It's very clear water and it's shallow. If they're fishing here, they'll be able to see me coming from quite a ways away. Doesn't seem like there's anything at the tail end of the pool. Yes, it's a golden. A little bit small. No? Let's see. Oh my gosh, these colors. These colors, guys. I was gonna say it's a little bit smaller, but I don't know if it is. These are all kind of in that 9-10 inch range. So awesome. Just a fire engine red or bright fluorescent orange belly on that, and amazing red on the sides. Just a stunning fish. See ya, buddy. Oh man, it's just paradise. Doesn't get much better than this. Oh, I pulled it out of the fish's mouth. There we go. Now this one is smaller. Beautiful fish. Not quite as golden as the others, but that's okay. Still a beauty. Oh, I didn't realize I had a fish on. Darn it. I cast the fly in and I waited a few seconds. Didn't see anything, didn't see any movement, so I was looking to where I was going next, and darn it, I had a fish on. It was a nice one. There we go. Yes. One of the bigger ones. This guy might be pushing 11 inches. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. Okay, we have kind of a big broken up area here. I'm trying to decide which spot to fish first. I guess I'll stick to the right side. Looks like there are some decently deep pockets in here. Oh, got one. Yeah, this is going better than I thought it would, which is a relief. It doesn't always happen, but when it does, man. See ya, buddy. Got him. Yes. See you, buddy. Got one. Next cast in the same pool. Yes. This one's a little bit bigger. Beautiful. It's like a 7-incher. See you, buddy. Fish on. Ooh, nice one. really colorful, beautiful orange. Yeah, wow, another nice big one. Really pretty fish. See you, buddy. Well, like I was saying, I have caught golden trout in Wyoming before. Ooh, darn it. I've also caught them in California, Idaho, and Utah. I would like to add a few other states to that list. I know they're in Washington, Montana, Colorado. I'll catch them in those places in due time, but for now, I'm in Wyoming, and I'm just having such a good time. This is probably the best golden trout fishing I've ever had. And I'll put links to my other golden trout videos down below if you do want to check them out. I'm feeling the limitations of this short line right now. The 7-foot line was great when I was in that really steep section, but I could use a 9-footer now. And I have one, I'm just lazy. But you know what? I think it's time. Okay, I've got a new fly and line on here. This fly has seen better days. It is kind of a mess, to be honest. But it's what was already on the line, and I think it'll do fine. It'll get the job done. Oh, yet again, I wasn't paying attention. Come on. Yes. It's a fat little fish. Beautiful. See you, buddy. Bad news, guys. So as I was editing the video, I found out that the remainder of the clips have no audio. The video is just fine, but there's no audio, and that's frustrating because I catch some nice fish. I caught several more fish on this creek, and so I'm gonna keep showing you the video, but there is no audio for whatever reason, and so I'm just gonna put some easy listening music in the background here to make things a little bit easier. At the end of the video, I recorded a little bit with this camera, and the audio was just fine, and so I have included that still if you want to hear the total number of fish that I caught and everything like that, but unfortunately for the rest of the GoPro footage here, there's no audio. You know, a creek like this is high risk, high reward. High risk in the sense that, I mean, it takes all day to hike here and back. It takes hours and hours to get to this spot, and it might not pan out, you know? And if that's the case, you wasted an entire day and countless calories to get here. But the flip side of that is that no one ever fishes creeks like this. You know, there are a lot of lakes in this area, like I said at the beginning of this video. People fish the lakes. People go into the mountains to fish lakes. No one fishes little creeks like this. And so if you do find a good creek up in the mountains like this, it's probably gonna be pretty dang good. And this creek here today was pretty dang good. I fished for an hour and 26 minutes and caught 23 golden trout. I mean, that's just incredible. No complaints. Awesome creek, awesome scenery, great weather apart from a little bit of wind here and there, but just an all-time creek for me. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video too. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.